Want to start trading crypto but don't know where to begin? You're not alone. Crypto can feel fast and confusing, but there's a smarter way to get started. Crypto is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth today, but guessing trades can be risky. That's why using a structured system makes all the difference. The crypto code is built to help beginners trade with confidence. It gives you ready-made trade alerts, smart strategies, and tools designed to make trading clear and predictable. You don't need to be an expert, you just follow the system. It works for everyone, whether you're brand new or already have some experience. The system focuses on repeatable trades with precision, so you can see results without getting lost in hype or speculations. Everyday members are sharing real wins, not guesses. If you're ready to stop guessing and start trading with confidence, join the Crypto Code free workshop today. You'll get a $10 in Bitcoin and a free weekly trade alert just for attending. Check the link in the description and take your first step towards smarter crypto trading.